Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix wireless adapter missing in your Windows 11 and Windows 10. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, you just need to come over your start icon, click on your right mouse button and go for device manager. After that, we are in device manager and now you just need to come over to the network adapters, open it and what that any Intel dual band wireless is missing over or not. You can see my dual band wireless is over here. If it's disabled, so click on your right mouse button and click for enable it. You will get enable option over here. If you found this over here, then it's fine. But if it's not, then come over into the action settings and then go for scan for hardware changes. So click on that. Any hardware is missing or any driver is missing, it will tell you to find out. After that, you just need to close it, and if it's not fix your problem, then you just need to come over into your settings and then you just need to come over into the network and internet, click on that, scroll down a little bit and go for advanced network settings, click on that. And then you will get the option called restart now. You can come over here, just simply typing network reset into the search bar. If you click on that, you will automatically open your network reset. If you just click on reset now, click yes, and it will show you that you about to sign out. Windows will be shut down in 5 minutes. So you can see that it will be shut down for after 5 minutes. So yeah, this is how you can fix it. If it's not fixed yet, then you can comment me into the video section. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.